so it's my last day at the cooking school, and I just wanted to show you what my morning commute looks like. It's about 3 to 5 minute walk, and we're gonna go through the village that I've been living in and cruise up to the school. So let's go. Still at the homestay here where we're taking off. This is a hangout rest area that most Bali houses have. I love that people are outside so much here. We've been staying at a Bali family house. This guy is apparently a pretty high up detective, but they haven't really been here. It was just Bali Independence Day, so there's lots of flags around. So I just wanted to share with you as we walk what I've learned here and where I'm headed. I've been here about 10 days, and while I've been here, one of the girls, she's a vegan cheese expert, and so I've learned how to make a lot of vegan cheeses, which to some of you I know is going to sound lame, but they're actually pretty damn good. Cats still totally freak me out. So weird. Learned a lot about how to grow food in the garden and identifying different fruits and veggies and how to use them in the kitchen. Lots with coconut. I look like such a tourist right now. I also learned that it's really hard to fast while you're at a cooking school. It's something that I've been wanting to integrate once a month. Hello! And every day I walk up here being like, okay, I'm gonna fast today. And then the beautiful women up there force me to eat, which I can't say no. They've cooked with so much love, and how do I not eat rice when I'm living on a rice paddy? Or eat anything there, really. It's all grown in our garden, so maybe I'll fast when I get back to the States. Also learned how to ride a motorbike while I've been here. That's been pretty cool. Hi, babies! What's your name? Nama. Oh god, I just feel like such a tourist with this. It's okay though, they're really friendly. I'm making offerings. Here's our village temple. How beautiful. Sorry if this gets shaky, I'm doing an incline. This is cool, yeah, they play music here most nights. Last night they played until about 9:30 and they were dancing. Super cool, there's temples everywhere. Alright, where am I going? I'm going back to Ubud for a Thai yoga teacher training kind of thing so that I can learn how to give Thai massages, because I love to receive them, so maybe I should learn how to give better. Yeah, por qué no? Classes are so cheap here, might as well. And then after that I'm going to a green educator course. It's like 3 days of learning how to better teach kids and adults, really, about climate change. So that should be sweet. I love this view. I'll admit it also makes me feel a bit lazy that every time I do this walk, I don't know if you notice, but everyone's doing something, working in some way, either to tend to the land or contribute to the community in some way. I'm kind of just stuffing my face. Nah, I'm helping in the cooking school for sure, but not like the people out here. They go all day. It's so nice. I am excited to have a massage, since that can be easily a daily thing in Asia. And it's been like 10 days, so I'm due. I'm also excited for some juices. We have a lot of fruit here, but yeah, man. First world problems. I think I've been kind of lazy here too. I was feeling sick, so haven't been on my yoga mat as much as I'd like to, even though we did do some aerial yoga here. But yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm excited to dance again too, man. It's weird to not be surrounded by music, because the yoga training, we were moving around a lot. Puppies! So not bad, hey, for a little commute in the morning. Approaching our chicken shed. Hey, baby! Very cool, very cool. Good morning! Where are we?
We are at the New Earth Chicken Shed.
Sweet. I look like such a tourist, eh?
Cool in the background.
Yeah. Cool. What you doing back there? Hey.
You trying to sneak up on me?
Earthquake!
You will get a spanking, you will.
Ariane feels earthquakes like every 5 minutes, so it's fun to play around.
I didn't feel it.
Maybe.
I didn't feel any earthquakes.
This is the vegan cheese expert that I was referring to. Do your alien, do your Robin Williams.
Nanu, Nanu. This is more calling Mindy.
Oh, I die. All right, we're gonna start cooking.